So after you're done applying the spot putty, then you can just take your sanding block or body file or just a piece of sandpaper in your hand, and you can go over these areas very lightly, and then you're ready for priming. Now I've sanded down the spot putty very lightly. I went over it with some 120 grit, and then I went down to a finer grit of a 320, and I've just gone over the whole thing. So I'm ready now for priming. So you can just read the directions on your primer and apply the primer. I'm not too concerned with this car because it's just a winter beater, so I don't even tape things off. But if you're careful, you won't get it onto the seats or whatnot. Try to put a rag or something over the areas. But I'm just going to prime in here first, and just a light coat. You don't want to make it rough. Damn mosquitoes out here. So the primer's on, and I'm ready to apply the top coat. And I just got this color match. I matched up the car as best as possible. This is an old car, so you can go to the dealer. Well, that is just a first coat. Looks okay, and I'm just going to let that dry for, just follow the directions on the can, and then So I've applied the top coat. I have about 2 coats on there, and I'm just going to put on a clear coat now, and this will just protect the paint, and it actually makes it a little more shiny. Well, there's the completed job. Doesn't look too bad. It's not perfect. This is just a winter beater. A few little indents here and there. And I'm not too concerned of the inside of the door as well. This is just a quick repair. There's a lot of ways of doing this. This is just one way, and it's an easy way. I've had these patches on cars before, and the cars have been scrapped and the patch has still been on there. Just a repair. It's not a restoration. Now this is just a video on how to repair a very large rusted out area. And thank you for watching.